Okay, super fast and easy, because if we name an angle that's vertical to EGH, if we extend the rays that make EGH, like EG, if we extended that in the other direction, we'd go there. And if we extended the one from G to H, this ray, in the other direction, there, we would see that the vertical angles are our angle that we originally started with, and whatever you get when you extend the rays, the opposite rays of the rays that make the angle they gave us. So since they gave us angle EGH, those are made up of two rays, this ray, and the opposite rays, if we shot them out in the opposite direction from vertex G, we would see that that would form angle FGI, or angle IGF. IGF, that's B. So there you go. It's this angle right here. We're done.